If there were meals that increased immunity and would shield you from disease, life would be so much easier. Including them in your diet on a daily basis will help control your blood pressure and lower your blood cholesterol. It does sound fantastic, doesn't it? The good news is that you may lead a healthy life with the support of some superfoods. Among them are blueberries. We'll talk about blueberries, their health advantages, and much more in today's video. Ensure that you watch the entire thing. 1. Rich in nutrients and low in calories. Rich in minerals but low in calories. When I say that blueberries are little bundles of incredible nutrition, I mean it. They are tiny, typically measuring around ½ an inch in diameter. However, they are incredibly beneficial given their little size. You can get up to 4 grams of fiber from 1 cup, or 150 grams, of blueberries. Additionally, you would receive 16% of the daily required amounts of vitamin C, 24% of vitamin K, and 22% of manganese for your body. Each and every one of these nutrients is essential to several bodily functions. Not only are the nutrients of blueberries excellent, but they also have few calories. There are just 84 calories in a cup of blueberries. There are 21.5 grams of carbohydrates in it. Blueberries are low in calories because they are largely made of water. Actually, water makes up roughly 85% of blueberries. Additionally, it hydrates your body. Incredible, isn't it? 2. Rich in protective agents. Prior to discussing the incredible antioxidants. Because blueberries are rich in antioxidants, it's important to first comprehend what free radicals are. They are created by your body as a result of either regular cell metabolism or external factors like tobacco smoke, pollution, and medicine. The buildup of free radicals in your body results in oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major factor in the onset of degenerative and chronic diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, cataracts, and cancer. The remarkable thing is that your body produces antioxidants to combat this oxidative stress. Your body either naturally produces them or obtains them from diet. One such item that has antioxidants to help combat these free radicals is blueberries. Flavonoids are one of the primary antioxidants present in this mouth-watering fruit. The majority of the health advantages associated with blueberries are derived from a class of flavonoids known as anthocyanins. Studies have indicated that eating blueberries directly raises the body's antioxidant levels. This implies that your body is now more capable of preventing oxidative stress, thereby preserving your long-term health. 3. Minimizes damage to DNA. Minimizes damage to DNA harm. What is it? You recently studied the effects of free radicals on the human body. That's not all, though. The DNA may be damaged by free radicals. No matter what safeguards you take, oxidative DNA damage is something you have to cope with. One of the reasons we age is because of this. The damage to your DNA weakens your cells. Additionally, it could lead to long-term illnesses like cancer. Antioxidants found in blueberries can help slow down this damage to DNA. Antioxidants included in blueberries can help you fend off these free radicals that damage DNA and prolong your life. For 4 weeks, 168 participants in a trial were given a liter of an apple and blueberry juice blend daily. Everyone was astonished by the outcome. A 20% reduction in oxidative DNA damage was observed. Fantastic. Is it not? Guards against damage from cholesterol. 4. Guards against harm caused by cholesterol. Immediately upon hearing the word cholesterol, we associate it with being the greatest threat to our well-being. The cholesterol in your body is not always bad, though. It actually falls into 2 categories. 1. HDL, or high-density lipoprotein. B. Low-density lipoprotein, etc. For a number of bodily processes, your body needs healthy cholesterol. Maintaining a higher level of good cholesterol than bad cholesterol is crucial for maintaining overall health. Additionally, your body's free radicals can oxidatively degrade cholesterol. It could be dangerous if the LDL cholesterol oxidizes. You are effectively being led down the path to heart disease by it. That's not what happens since blueberries contain antioxidants. They maintain the integrity of your heart and lower the amount of LDL oxidation. An 8-week study on this topic was carried out with obese participants. According to the findings, consuming 2 ounces of freeze-dried blueberries decreased LDL oxidation by 28%. Perhaps there's something extra enticing about the thought of chowing down on some frozen blueberries. Is it not? Now that you are aware of the detrimental effects bad cholesterol has on your health, perhaps you would like to know what foods can help reduce it. This is a video that you can view. 5. Has the ability to lower blood pressure. Able to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure sufferers may have major cardiovascular problems. One of those illnesses without clear symptoms is high blood pressure. The reason behind its nickname, the silent killer, is this. Despite what the general public believes, headaches and nosebleeds are not necessarily signs of high hypertension. Blood spots in your eyes and lightheadedness are 2 signs that may point to high blood pressure. In situations where you need to lower your blood pressure, blueberries work well. Over the course of 8 weeks, a research including individuals who were obese and at high risk of cardiovascular disease was done. According to the findings, consuming 2 ounces of freeze-dried blueberries on a daily basis lowered blood pressure by 4% to 6%. 6. May lower the chance of developing heart disease. It seems sense that blueberries could contribute to maintaining your heart health by lowering your risk of heart disease. We recently discovered that they do, in fact, lower blood pressure and stop LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. But remember, they are only heart disease risk factors. Chest pain is one of the most typical indicators of a heart attack. Additionally, you should watch out for symptoms like nausea and dizziness. Whether your symptoms are minor or severe, you still need to see a doctor. In terms of lowering the risk of a heart attack, blueberries have also shown another advantage. A survey involving about 94,000 nurses has been carried out. The findings demonstrated a 32% reduction in the risk of a heart attack for nurses who consumed high levels of antioxidant anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are prevalent in blueberries as well. 7. Preserves mental abilities and enhances memory, particularly when it comes to your brain. Free radicals in your body can cause even more havoc with how well your memory and brain function. One of the reasons your brain ages so quickly is oxidative stress. It also adversely affects how well your brain functions. There's little doubt that blueberries work wonders for the areas of your brain responsible for intelligence. They enhance the neurons and cell signaling in your brain. A study conducted on individuals with mild cognitive impairment has produced unexpected findings. For a period of 12 weeks, the subjects were given blueberry juice every day. A number of brain functions showed a noticeable improvement towards the end of the study. Over the course of 6 years, 16,000 people were involved in another study. This long-term study's findings demonstrated that consuming strawberries and blueberries helped postpone mental aging by almost 3 years. I'm not sure about you, but I'm definitely tempted to help myself to a whole jar of smoothie made with blueberries. 8. Anti-diabetic qualities. Anti-diabetic qualities compared to other fruits. Blueberries have a significantly lower sugar content. There are just 15 grams of sugar in a cup of blueberries. This is equivalent to what you would get from eating an orange or an apple. Blueberries contain very little sugar, so it's not hazardous even in tiny amounts. Any negative effect on your blood sugar levels is greatly outweighed by the numerous beneficial substances that this superfood provides. Eating blueberries has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, according to research. They also enhance your metabolism of glucose. These will assist in regulating your blood sugar levels because they contain anti-diabetic properties. This conclusion is based on more than one study. Another study had over 30 obese individuals with insulin resistance. Each day they were served 2 smoothies made with blueberries. The findings demonstrated that following the study's duration, their insulin sensitivity significantly improved. You can lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by increasing your insulin sensitivity. Also, your chance of developing metabolic syndrome would be decreased. Reduces injury to muscles. 9. Minimizes injury to muscles. You don't need me to remind you of how crucial exercise is to your long-term health. It also supports better mental and emotional well-being. The possibility of experiencing muscle soreness after intense exercise is one of the main reasons individuals put off doing it. Your muscular tissue is under oxidative stress, which is why this occurs. Additionally, there might be localized muscle inflammation. Regular consumption of blueberries can help prevent this harm to your muscles. It lessens your post-workout discomfort by acting at the molecular level. A study involving female athletes who performed intense leg workouts was carried out. The findings demonstrated that consuming blueberries improved and accelerated muscle healing. Yes, blueberries are truly wonderful. You might attempt incorporating even more superfoods into your regular diet. Are you curious to learn more about them? Tell us in the comments section below.